Hello there, this is Henry Smith here from IamWealthyandRich.com. We'll talk about how to understand the game of money and play it well. So welcome to today's cryptocurrency portfolio update. Something I've been doing for a while now. And make sure you stay to the end of this video because after the update, I always talk about something of importance. Before I continue, it's important for me to do the disclaimer. I'm not a financial advisor. This is not a financial advice video. So do your own due diligence and don't make any financial decisions. And also understand that all investments do carry degrees of risk. So don't invest more money you can afford to lose. So with that, I'm going to share my screen and just jump straight to the update. So here we are on the 19th of May. But excuse the background noise, I've got the windows open. It's very hot today. And this is the time what we're doing now. So I get the figures on this page here. And this consists of one whole Bitcoin, this particular portfolio, selection of altcoins, and that's the total. So start with this figure here, 68,000 and 307.80, 68,307.80, and the top figure 98,558.19, 98,558.19, 98,000. Yeah. Okay, so let's bring this down here. Okay, so it looks like color that green. Color this green as well. Green is when it's moved forward on the previous day, or the previous time that it was recorded. So it's a green day today. Markets are up at this moment. They were down earlier this morning, but they've gone up a bit. So it's a green day today. Okay, so that's fine. It's all part of the journey. Now looking closely at the markets, Bitcoin seems to be going kind of sideways at the moment. If you kind of zoom in, see it's more like a sideways kind of channel. So that's fine. Ethereum is also following a similar path, kind of going sideways as well, at around 2026, yeah. Now, we talked about the MVT. MVT is still white, so that's very important. So that we're still in danger of a downtrend. And this figure here kind of shows that this is on the weekly chart. The last 8 weeks have all been, the last 7 weeks have been down. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So yeah, so we're on the 8th week now. This 8th week has had 3 days. We've got 3 days and 9 hours left. Interesting thing is Bitcoin has never gone 8 consecutive weeks downwards. It has never even gone 7 consecutive weeks downwards. Actually, I struggled to find it even gone 6 consecutive weeks downwards. So the fact that it's about to do 8 consecutive weeks downwards indicates a very strong downtrend. Remember in the charts that the trend is your friend. So we'll see whether it does 8 consecutive weeks. It's already done 7. And we'll see whether it does 8 consecutive weeks in 3 days and 9 hours. I'll come back to this in a minute. The Gaussian channel, interesting thing about it, as I said, the market was due to fall below the Gaussian channel, okay, but by how much? And looking at these lines, when it tends to fall below the Gaussian channel, it tends to fall 50%, as I've mentioned before, around the 50% mark where it falls under the channel. Shoot up. So it's, if I measure downwards, tend to fall around 50, 51% below the tunnel. Not just, so the fact that it when it goes into the tunnel, okay, when it goes into the tunnel from an upwards flow, number one, it usually stays in there for a year. Number two, the tunnel normally turns red at some point. Number three, it falls below the tunnel. Then it goes to the bottom of the tunnel, then it falls below the channel. So those things always happen. And we just decided this thing there, it usually falls 50% below. Now if we look at by zooming a little bit. Again, showing that it came into the tunnel turned red, and it fell below the channel. So how much did it fall below? This was in 2014. Well, if I just measure the bodies, not the wick, it's 49%, but the wick takes it down to 62%. Okay, so it usually falls below the channel, and but by how much is the question. I don't think we've got any more here. No. Okay, so moving it to the present day, we saw it go into the tunnel. It's already done about a year. Went in on the 16th of May. So it's been interacting with the channel for for a year now. The channel did turn red, as the other ones did, and it's falling below the tunnel, below the Gaussian channel. So the question is, by how much? If the other ones are anything to go by, we're looking at, right now, it's kind of like, it has fallen 32%. It's currently, what is it now? Currently around 21% below the channel. But history says that it usually falls around 50%. That takes it down to, 18, 19, 20,000. So it's still got a way to go to get to the bottom of the, before to go. Now, some people may say it might go down to 10,000. I'm not sure. That would be a real danger point here. But don't be surprised if there's still more to go. Some people think it has bottomed, but the facts show in its history it's always done more than just 30%. It's really gone around 40, 49, 50% below the channel. And I'm just being conservative when I say 49%. It's usually 50-something%. Even during the COVID crash, although this is a flash crash, 37%, but 41% actually. But this was just a flash crash. The real, when it really stays in for a very long time, the year, for about a year, we get that 50% underneath. So we will watch and see. Make sure you stay posted. And interesting thing about the bottom, Bitcoin has really hit a real bottom of the market like two times previously. The RSI showing. This is on the monthly chart. 1st of January 2015 and 1st of January 2019. So it's interesting dates. This is yet to hit a bottom where we are at the moment. So you never know what could happen over the next 6 months or so. There's still room for this to go up and then come down again and hit the same level bottom, 43, like these other two absolute bottoms do. So watch out for that. But that will also signify the absolute bottom and beginning of the next bull run. So keep you posted on that. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you subscribe and hit the notification button. Go to our website, download your millionaire mindset and investment strategy now. Mindsets training, very, very important. Okay. And it's actually absolutely free. So put it to use, watch the videos, implement the videos, apply the videos. And I shall see you in the next video. Thanks very much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video.